How to fix Facebook Marketplace not loading in 4 ways. Hi guys, in today's video, here are some things that you need to check and consider before using Facebook Marketplace. First, you need to be at least 18 years old to use it. Second, you need to have a Facebook account that is in good standing that is at least 30 days. Also, you need to live in a country where Facebook Marketplace is available. So here is actually a list of countries that you can actually see where Facebook Marketplace is available. You can check it out in the help center of Facebook, wherein you just need to search in Marketplace. Alright, so lastly, one thing that would also make you not be able to use Facebook Marketplace is if you went against the terms and services of the commerce policy or other policies. So you need to learn about the buy and sell responsible on Marketplace in the Help Center. And those are the things that you need to consider before you can um, check out any items, or if you're wondering why you cannot use Facebook Marketplace. I hope this tutorial has helped you. Thank you so much for watching and hope you find this tutorial helpful. Bye!